AC, what's this?
What's this? It's the same.
The train. And what's this?
It's the same.
What's this? Look.
Orange.
Orange. She asked her, what's this?
Telefono.
Telefono. And what's this?
It's the phone.
What is it?
It's the phone.
The spoon. And what's this?
It's the pillow.
It's a pillow.
What's this?
What's this?
It's the star.
These are the stars. Okay, ask Dina now. You ask me. You don't understand what that means. What's this?
What's this? It's the phone.
That's the bowl. It's the cereal bowl. And what's this?
What's this?
What is that? Toaster. You don't know.